Get ready to say hi to the camera.
The power bank can be combined with various modules and provide strong power. Has a compact storage size, consistent design and color, glare flashlight, 1650 lumens high brightness, 5 switching modes such as high, medium, low, strobe, SOS. After adjusting the focus, the farthest irradiation distance can reach 400 meters. Large aperture, wider irradiation area. Put on a lampshade and instantly become a lighting lamp. Battery life up to 20 hours. Can be used as a spotlight. Can be mounted on bicycles with brackets. The power bank can quickly charge the mobile phone at the same time. Similar to the lighting effect of car headlights, it is safer to ride at night. Combined with a tripod, it can be turned into a camping light. Combined with the hanging buckle, it can be used as a tent light. The power bank supply can supply power for car appliances such as car refrigerators. USB can output 22.5 W power. The top supports 15 W wireless charging. Car washer. Better ergonomics. Comes with hose and water bag. 200 psi water pressure. 6 kinds of water outlet shades. Comes with a dense foam spray can. 40 minutes battery life. Can be used to clean walls or floors. Can also water the garden. Vacuum cleaner. Delicate and compact. Has an astonishing vacuum of 19,500 pascals. Battery life up to 60 minutes. Comes with extension tube to clean corners. Can be used as an electric vacuum bag pump. Tire inflator pump. When tire pressure is low, it can quickly inflate tires. Inflate large tires size 255, 50 R20. From 0 psi, 36 psi. Just 6 minutes. Can inflate the bike. can inflate balls and airbags. Mobile phone holder. When charging wirelessly, the mobile phone holder can better fix the mobile phone. The power bank adopts Type-C charging interface. We are committed to building a brand new product ecosystem for global users, which will cover up to 20 products that can meet the needs of various life scenarios such as home, car, and
Introducing Sorry Thanks Car Sign, the perfect way to communicate with other drivers on the road. We've all been there. You accidentally cut someone off or make a mistake while driving, and you wish you could apologize. Or maybe someone does something nice for you, and you want to show your gratitude. That's where the Sorry Thanks Car Sign comes in. With the Sorry Thanks Car Sign, you can easily express your apologies or thanks to other drivers, making the roads a friendlier place. Installation is a breeze. Just attach the Sorry Thanks Car Sign to the back of your rear window using the provided adhesive hook and loop strips that build into the panel. It's compatible with any vehicle. The simple remote control and LED panel that shows 2 words make Sorry Thanks Car Sign less than a distraction, but a tool to help you communicate on the road. When you're ready to apologize, simply press the Sorry button, and the Sorry Thanks Car Sign will display a clear and unmistakable apology to those around you. And when it's time to express your gratitude, just press the Thanks button, and the Sorry Thanks Car Sign will proudly show your appreciation. Imagine being stuck in traffic, surrounded by frustrated drivers. But with the Sorry Thanks Car Sign, you can brighten someone's day with a simple apology or a heartfelt thank you. So why not spread some kindness on the road? With the Sorry Thanks Car Sign, you have the power to make a positive impact and foster a sense of understanding among fellow drivers. Sorry Thanks Car Sign, because sometimes a little apology or a thank you can go a long way.
Hey Siri, I'm being pulled over.
Streaming live video to John.
Have a good day, sir.
Sometimes things go beyond our control. Introducing Settle, the 9-in-1 car organizer that serves as a tray, lap desk, picnic table, bottle holder, litter bag, secret chamber, toiletry bag, playground, and carry-on bag that effortlessly blends into any setting of your choice. Our work on a number of car brands across markets all over the world enabled us to discover customers wishing to set up their rides in a personalized way, whether they own, share, or use a car.
Therefore, not only are we creating unmatched versatility, but a well-balanced design with a rewarding touch and feel experience that offers value and aesthetics to any setting, inside and outside a car.
We call it car fashion.
The first among a collection of products.
Settle fits easily and delightfully into all cars. We are all set, ready to produce, and need your support. We would like you to think of Settle as the versatile car companion that you always wanted but could never find. Until now.
Everyone is in a hurry. Everyone has to go somewhere. Rather to your next business meeting. Or go to take your daily coffee. But nobody is ready for a car breakdown. It can happen to anyone and shake up our daily routine. That's why AGA News Tech pleased to present its new jump starter. With his 2 USB ports and his 10W wireless charge, the A40 will change your life and make it easier. After years of intense research, the AGA News Tech team has just released its model, which is a revolution in the industry. The AGA A40, the lightest and yet most powerful jump starter and wireless power bank. Easy to use and plug in, the AGA A40 can start your cars in just 4 steps. Step 1. Just connect the clips to the battery. Step 2. Connect the red connectors to the red terminal of your vehicle and perform the same maneuver by connecting the black connector to the black terminal of the vehicle. Step 3. When the blue light has been verified, all you have to do is start your car. Step 4. You can remove the clip and you can drive now. Thanks to its wireless system, the jump starter can also charge your phone during your trip. It can withstand the most extreme temperatures, so your jump starter will help you get through even the harshest winters. Support our Kickstarter and be early backer to get 62% off of regular price.